Good evening everyone. Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's continue learning Ilocano phrases for healthcare workers. One of the phrases that we learned from the last video is how to say, please have a seat or please take a seat. To say that in Ilocano, you can say, agtugaw ka, or if the patient is with someone, you can say, agtugaw kayo. And if you mean to say, please have a seat, I have to take your blood pressure, or I will take your blood pressure. Agtugaw ka. Alaag ti blood pressure yo. Ek, ti blood pressure yo. Agtugaw ka or agtugaw kayo. Alaag ti blood pressure yo. So, after you took the blood pressure and you wanna say your blood pressure is 120/80 or whatever, you say ti blood pressure yo ke 120/80. Ti blood pressure yo ke 120/80. Ti blood pressure yo ke 120/80. If you want to ask if the patient needs something or she wants something, you say, inya kayat yo, inya kayat yo, or inya ti kayat yo, inya kayat yo, or inya ti kayat yo. Do you want water? Kayat yo ti danom? Kayat yo ti danom, or water. Do you want water? Kayat yo ti danom? And last, do you want to eat? Kayat yo ti mangan? Kayat yo ti mangan, kayat yo ti mangan? Do you wanna eat? So, that's it for tonight. That's the second part of our Ilocano phrases for healthcare workers. And if you haven't seen the last video, you can check below for the links and also for the phrases that we use on this video and the spellings. Okay, good night. Bye.